Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and today I've got a super handy Excel trick for you. Ever wanted your spreadsheet to automatically change cell colors based on what's written inside? Maybe you want anything marked over budget to turn red and anything within budget to turn green. Well, you're in the right place. And the best part? We don't need any complicated formulas, just a few clicks using conditional formatting. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have this set up in no time. Ready? Let's jump in. Step 1. Select the cells you want to format first. Decide which column you want this to apply to. In this example, I'll use column E, where I have a list of budget statuses. Go ahead and highlight the cells that will contain the text. If you're following along, pause the video and try it yourself. Now let's tell Excel to change the color if a cell contains over budget. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Click Conditional Formatting. Now let's select Highlight Cells rules. Now text that contains. In the box that appears, type over budget. Excel will suggest a red fill by default. Perfect. So just click OK. Nice and easy. Now any cell containing over budget will automatically turn red. Pretty cool, right? Now let's do the same thing for cells that say within budget, but this time we want them to turn green. Go back to Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells rules, text that contains. Type within budget in the box. Click the color drop-down, choose green fill with dark green text, and click OK. That's it. Now every time a cell says within budget, it will automatically turn green. Here's the best part. If you change the text in any of these cells, Excel will instantly update the color for you. For example, if I update a value in my spreadsheet and the status changes from over budget to within budget, the cell immediately turns green. No extra work needed. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, we've set up Excel to automatically change cell colors based on text values. No formulas, no fuss. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Excel tricks. I love helping you make Excel work for you. So let me know in the comments. What other Excel problems can I help you solve? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.